Let's check out how the standard and smart key fobs can help make things easier when opening and closing your Kia vehicle's tailgate. If you're using the standard key fob, press the hold button for more than a second to unlock the back. You'll have to manually open and raise the liftgate. Closing it locks it automatically. Using the smart key fob is similar. But first, make sure you've enabled the power liftgate option inside the settings on your dashboard. Using this button on your steering wheel, cycle through to user settings and scroll down to enable power liftgate. Now that it's active, you can press and hold the button for more than a second and the liftgate will open automatically. Know that the liftgate opening height is adjustable. Just click the button once as it reaches your desired height, or you can manually stop it with your hand. To program this position for future use, depress the hold button for 3 seconds. The system will beep 2 times when the programming is complete. You can also enable the smart liftgate option from your dashboard. This function is activated after 15 seconds when all doors are closed and locked. With your smart key in your pocket, stand within about 3 feet behind the vehicle for more than 3 seconds. You'll hear a chime, see the lights flash, and the tailgate will open automatically. Push any button on the smart key beforehand to stop the tailgate from opening. Finally, always remember that if you unlock your vehicle or open the rear tailgate by pressing the unlock button on your smart key, be sure to relock your vehicle using the lock button before walking away. The tailgate and doors will not require a relock if only the liftgate button was used.